All right, hello, welcome back. So today we're going to draw a koala. And so remember, we're drawing a koala because our koala was one of the main characters in the story, the koala who could. So just as a reminder, if you do not, if you aren't able to keep up, you can always click pause and you can really just draw at your own pace, okay? All right, so let's start by putting our paper this way and let's draw the head. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna draw the head and it's gonna go, we're gonna make a big loop kind of like from there to there on the head. Okay, so let's draw the head of the koala. So I'm gonna take my black pen, I'm gonna draw like this. Not too big, but also not too small either. Okay, and now we're going to draw the big ears. So let's do kind of like Mickey Mouse ears on this side and then on this side of the koala head. So let's draw one like this. Okay, and then another one just like this. Perfect. So the koala had these big round ears. And so the koala and the koala who could had this big nose too. So let's draw like a rainbow shape. Let's draw it here going up and down, and then we'll draw a straight line across to connect it. So let me show you what I mean. We're going to go up and down and then a straight line across to connect it. Okay, and after we draw the nose, let's draw the eyes and the mouth. So let's do two little eyes just like this. And let's give our Kevin the koala a little smile off to the side like this. A little koala, Kevin the koala smile. Next, we're going to draw his hair, which he had a few little pieces up here, so I'm just going to do that. There's his hair. And then he had some hair, fluffy hair, in his ears. So this is how we're going to draw that. We're going to go out and zigzag and down. So just like this, I'll show you. Out, zigzag, and down. Okay? And do the same thing on this side. Out, zigzag, down. Okay. And there is Kevin. And if you want to, you can color his nose black and you can color him gray because that's what color he was in the story. So let me make my pen just a little bit bigger. Here we go. There we go. So you can color his nose black because that's what it was in the story. And then you can color him gray if you want to color him gray. And I cannot wait to see it. All right, good job.